Hello everyone, welcome back to your channel Art of Mathematica. Today this is the last question of the worksheet 2 chapter 10, definitely class 7. So in this question is very much similar to question number 1. There was also 50 degree given. Here is also 50 degree given. That means copied angle. You all have already done. Do you remember question number 1? So it is my request to you all, just pause the video and try to do it in your own. Let's see how many of them can do this. And if you can do this without my help, just write down in the comment box that sir I have done. So definitely it is one kind of pleasure you are giving me, that if you say that sir I can do it. Suppose someone says sir after watching your video mind all the doubts are clear. So that time I'll think okay, I have done my goal. I achieved my goal. Actually this is my goal. What? That तुम सबको एक्सप्लेन करना है ठीक से, तुम सबको ठीक से पढ़ाना है. सो आर यू रेडी? लास्ट क्वेश्चन. एक काम करो, पहले खुद से करो, फिर एक बार देख लो मेरे वीडियो को. मैं इतना एफर्ट दे के बना रहा हूं, तो प्लीज वॉच इट. बट first solve it. Try to solve it in your own. And I know, let's guess, more than 90% student can do it in their own. So can you do that? If you can do it, simply write down in the comment box, sir I have done in my own. But please, all of you, it is my request, after that watch my video at least, because इतना मेहनत से बना रहा हूं, तो देख लो एक बार. So all of you are ready? So let's do the last sum of worksheet 2. Ready? So let's see. So let's start question number 5. Only one sum. This is the last sum. It is left. So what they have told: construct a triangle PQR in which PR equals to 5.6 centimeter, QR is 3 centimeter, and angle R equals to 50 degree. So angle R 50 degree means we have to construct using protractor 50 degree angle. Why? Because you all know 50 degree angle cannot be constructed using compass. So I have to first draw it. By copied angle we have to construct the remaining part. So let's do it. First draw a line from this dot. I have to draw a line. Done. Now what to do? We have to take a 50 degree angle. So from this point only I can join. You can see over there 50 degree angle. And why it is 50 degree? Earlier I have explained that you cannot take this 50 degree angle. If you draw this side a line, no, as a base, then you will take this one, because 50 degree is the acute angle, and you can say this is the acute angle. Okay, now let me remove the protector. So this is our for 50 degree angle. So this is R, maybe this is P Q R. This one is 50 degree. So by copied angle we have to construct it. So first R is there, no? So both here are. So can I take greater one as a base? I can take it. Why not? So scale, I need a scale. First draw here 5.6 centimeter. Okay. Then here it is 0.5 point. That is 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here it is 5.6. Done. And one more over there, that is 3 centimeter. So this and join. Now 3 centimeter and 5.6 both I have drawn. What to do after that? I have to write the name. So this is PR, and that one is QR. This is 3 centimeter, and that one is
5.6 centimeter. So what to do? As I've told you all the time, first draw a ray. So here I'm going to do it. Draw a ray. Done. Now from this point, let us assume this is R. So write it down, R over there, R. Now from this point I have to construct 50-degree angle. So now I need a compass. So put the compass over here. Take any measurement of radius. I am taking chalo 3. Okay na? Any measurement. No, I am not taking 3. Again it will make a confusion. So 2.5. So put the compass here at R as center. Now cut it and taking same measurement, put it and cut it. Done. Now what to do? This measurement I have to take. No, this one, because copied angle, you know how to construct copied angle. If you have not done yet, suppose question number 1 I have done actually. You can see my question number 1 also. If you think your doubt is not clear, see question number 1 also. The same type of sum I have done. Okay, so see it, question number 1 also. See, you can see I have taken copied angle. What I have done, from the point R as a center, put the compass at R as a center, then cut any arc. This may be 3 centimeter, 2.5 centimeter, anything you can take. Okay, but after that, from this now you have to, means from this point to this point you have to measure and cut it, and taking same radius, put the compass here, cut it. Done. Now join it, you will get the angle 50 degree. So use scale, or actually for digitally I can do it directly, but student, you have to use the scale, because without scale you cannot draw a line. And here it is. Okay, now what to do? This is our 50-degree angle. Now what to do? I have to cut 5.6 centimeter. As I have told you, this I am going to take as a base. 5.6. Here it is. Can you see that? Exactly there. So cut 5.6 and take this measure and put the compass at center at R and cut it. Done. 5.6. That one is 5.6. So this should be R, no, because R is there, it is 5.6, so that should be, sorry, P. This is P. And this one 5.6 centimeter. Okay, now here on this red arm I have to cut 3 centimeter. You can put the compass at Q also, or R, any one side you can put. And you can see, cut like this, take the measurement, yeah, taken. Now put the compass at R, cut it. Now this is our QR over there, so R is this, that means this is Q. That one is Q, this point. Okay, now Q and P join. Again, I am not going to use scale, because digitally I can do it directly, but you have to use the scale and you have to do it. So Q and P join it. So this is our required triangle. So I hope you all understand well. So actually I have to say one thing. This is not the harder one, because this sum already, this kind of sum already you have done in this worksheet only, that is question number 1. So I hope you all understood. So that's it for today.
Next, in my next video, I am going to do worksheet 3. Definitely I will start, and definitely before starting this worksheet, I will explain you regarding which criteria you have to construct it. Like worksheet 1 you have construct by SSS, that worksheet 2 now we are actually finished it, this is the last one. So this is regarding SAS. The next one is another criteria I am going to use over there. So stay tuned. तब तक के लिए all of you take care yourself and goodbye.